I have discovered that this was not my neighbor making noise. This little guy seems to like this area quite a bit. There used to be a bird's hole on the other side, and I kind of blocked it up. Well, apparently he went back in. Let's see. This is the... I'm this far away from him. But let's get a little closer and see what happens. I'm just doing this by camera, so it's kind of goofy. Hard to keep it like that, that's better. Well, let's take a look at the hole he's created. This is my pond, by the way. My baby pond. There we go. He took a look at me. Okay, he's gonna fly away now because I'm gonna get closer. I'm gonna show you the hole he's putting in. Yeah, there it goes. But look at that. Oh, so I put this piece of wood here, thinking I was keeping the weather out. But apparently, this is his home in there. Let's see. Oh, it's not adjusting, darn. Well, let's get it right there. Yeah, there we go. Oh boy. Well, I guess I'll just leave it being. I mean, as long as it's not a rat's nest hole and stuff, just a bird's nest, I'm okay with it. But I can hear him because my room's right in there. And let me tell you, it gets kind of noisy.